Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. So for now, nandito tayo sa class ng Caregiver Practical Training Course kasi meron silang demo for now. So sa mga interesado na mag-enroll sa Caregiver Practical Training Course, so panoorin niyo po yung live video natin para magkaroon kayo ng idea ano ba yung mga topics natin or ano ba yung mga dinidiscuss ng instructor po sa Caregiver Practical Training Course. So, which is ito is 3 months duration lang siya. And then, once a week yung klase po.
Okay, our first step is articulation. Second step, call for help. Help! All 911. Assist for situation. Third step, assist for situation. Position the person. Assist the situation. Fourth step, make a test. Fifth step, position the person.
Then, gas the...
As the
Miss Maria, mamaya ka naman din.
might perform test.
Okay? You make a fist first. Tapos, okay. What is the position? Above the...
Above the navel.
Very good. And then,
Toward the rib cage.
okay, downward the down part of the rib cage. Okay, next. Hold your fist. And then, how many abdominal thrust? Let me see. One. Only one, huh? For 1, 2, 3, go. Yan. Very good. Then, so if the patient expelled the object, what we will do? Okay. No need for CPR. Okay. What are the 5 considerations? Very good. 3 considerations.
Stay calm.
Check the breathing.
Check the breathing.
Be aware of medical condition. Let me see if the baby is choking. What you will do? Let me see. Bring the baby up. Do the box now. How you will do it? Hold the feet. Then use the nail of the hand. And how many box lang? Okay, let me see. But it is more like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. Next, Miss Maria.